Hello, welcome back to another After Effects video. So at the moment, what I've got is you've got the mask of the sheep that I did, and I want to blend it here with the boat here. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the different levels here. So what we're going to do is look at the different levels here. So there's the red channel, the green, and the blue. And we can say which one has got the best contrast. Essentially, we're going to need to make the blacks black and then the whites white. So what we could do is maybe make this mountain thing black and then the rest of it white. So should we try and do that? Let's see how we might go around doing that. So go to Effects. We'll start by doing calculations on it. And I think this is the blue channel, so we'll do blue channel. All right, now we need to put on levels. Put the levels on here. And at the moment, you can see we're only sort of zoomed into this area of it. So, because the sheep clip is much smaller, basically. So let's have a look. So you can see how it looks essentially there. So the input of black, let's see how I want to do this. We want a lot of it to be white, basically. But then the black, so get that top bit black. So that might not be a bad example here, right? So we've got something like that. It's not exactly perfect. I just want it to be on the cusp there. So once we set that, what you'll see is if we do the Luma matte, you see it actually is going to be able to crop out a part of the mask, right? So we get a slightly different shape on the mask. We could do the other section as well. You can see that interesting thing with the mountains blocking off part of the mask.